In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a free Jira account. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Atlassian Jira page. This is the main product page for Jira, and it is the safest place to begin because it routes you through the correct sign-up flow for the free plan. Once the page loads, look for the option to try Jira for free. When you select that, you will be taken into the Atlassian sign-up and login process. Atlassian uses one account to access its cloud products, so creating this account is what unlocks Jira for you. Next, choose the option to sign up or continue with Google. A Google account can speed up the process because it fills in some details automatically. When the Google account chooser appears, select the Google account you want to use for Jira. If you have multiple Google accounts, choose the one you want associated with your Jira work. After selecting the account, you may see a Google confirmation or permission screen. Review what is shown, and then continue. This step confirms that you are allowing Atlassian to use your Google sign-in to create or access your Atlassian account. If you are on a shared computer, make sure the correct account is selected before you proceed. You will then be redirected back to Atlassian. On the Atlassian confirmation page, continue again to complete the social sign-up connection. This connects your Google login to your Atlassian identity, which is what Jira will use each time you sign in. Now you should be on the Atlassian Cloud sign-up page for Jira software on the free edition. Follow the on-screen prompts and continue when you are ready. These prompts help Atlassian finish setting up your new cloud site, which is basically your workspace where your Jira projects will live. Finally, click Continue one more time to complete the setup and move forward into Jira. At this point, your free Jira account is created, and you can start configuring your first project whenever you are ready. And that covers everything you need to know.